Hello guys, welcome to CypNest tutorial from Friendless. CypNest is a nesting software designed for CypCut or HyperCut sheet laser cutting system. It integrates advanced functions of drawing modification, quick nesting, toolpath generation, analysis report, and more to meet your production needs. To begin with, let's check the differences on nest function through comparison between CypCut and CypNest. CypCut is a professional software for laser cutting, so nest feature in CypCut is just at a basic level. On the other hand, CypNest, as a professional nesting software, comes with much more powerful nest function. First superiority of all, CypCut only supports 50 kinds of part types at most, while CypNest supports 999 types of parts. Second, the number of every kind of part can be up to 999 in CypCut, while in CypNest, 99,999. Third, CypCut can generate only 20 results at a time, but CypNest can do 9,999, which let's say with no limit. In conclusion, CypNest perfectly meets your demand of large quantity nesting. What's more, CypNest can also auto-optimize configuration, such as removing duplicated, delete invisibly small figures. It can recognize and help modify mistakes, read file name, part number, as well as doing array and co-edge at the same time. When it comes to cutting path, the remnant path types CypCut supports are rather limited, and it has only one sorting way of manually clicking. On the contrary, however, CypNest provides you with both manual setting and auto-generating for remnant lines. Meanwhile, remnant lines visual recognition, smart sorting, batch modified techniques are supportable. And you will find out that armed with click selecting, box selecting, line selecting, and draw selecting, the sort performance of CypNest is definitely a nice flashlight. We also prepared you with a customized report to facilitate your process. As CypNest keeps being updated, if anything confuses you, feel free to contact us. Whenever you need parts nesting software, CypNest would be your first choice. Now let's take a close look at the software. As we open CypNest, we'll see the Welcome interface, which will figure from 4 aspects. First of all, the software version is presented on the very top of the interface. By this gear on the top right, we switch language and unit. To find more version details, here we click the question mark. This is in case of you encountering any problems or having feedback on our product. We would need it to be of better help for you. The second part in the middle includes the files you've saved. Double-click open the file to continue the processing, or just delete it. In the third part, let's check on a few links. We have tutorials up here, and guide, and ways of getting in touch with us by email or scan the QR code to enter the official WeChat group. Again, don't hesitate to contact us when you run up against any problem. As for purchasing, we've got 2 ways of purchasing. The one is to buy a dongle. which enables you to perpetually use CypNest, and there's no need to register. The other is to first get an email or WeChat account, renew license, and scan the QR code to log in so that you can use this software. If you have any questions on purchasing, this is our email address. Feel free to contact us. For instance, you can renew a 2-year subscription when your license expires or before, which won't change the lifespan of license last time you paid for, but can get you a discount. If you have 2 employees work respectively on 2 computers, we recommend you to get another site. This way they can use the software simultaneously. On the left side, we come to the fourth part, Nest and Draw. For opening or get a new file, click New to pop out New Task Interface, where we set up parameters like task name, material, thickness of plate, gas type, and whether to enable auto techniques. This is for us to add or delete plate, import and edit remnant, also change priorities. Down below, we modify the plate size, gap, as well as amount. Here, the auto technique function stands out for when it is selected, the parameters including lead, compensation, corner tag, micro joint, cooling point, auto gap or overcut of previous task under the same material, thickness, and gas type will be automatically chosen, so you don't have to set them over and over again, except that you have something to change.